Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to I Am Organic Gardening. Today is May 27th and I have to share something with you that is totally amazing. My first garden mistake of 2020. So this is what I did. It is completely unthinkable that I did this. It makes me more of an expert gardener now that I made this mistake, but I have to share it with you because I think it's hysterical. So in the video that I did about 10 days ago, exactly 10 days ago, was that garden hack about using leaf mold in between the rows and covering the fava beans or broad beans with the boards. Well, I left them there way too long. It's been 10 days and I left them on there for 10 days. And you see how they grew and they're pale, and I just took them off about an hour ago, and right now it's currently 90 degrees outside. It has changed completely overnight. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And you can see right down the row how pale they are, but how big they are and strong they are. I'm just amazed that this weather has changed so many things between my past experience of doing things and timing things. And I'm glad I kind of learned from this mistake, and I'll always remember it because I have a video of it now too. But thank goodness I enjoy sharing this. I do make mistakes and I will make mistakes in the future, but again, it's just hysterical that this happened. See right down the rows here how they're surviving even after 10 days underneath that board. Now, they should be okay, and we'll see in the future because I'll keep you updated. So I think it's just, again, a good learning experience about all this. Just how nature works and how quickly things sprout up. I also want to share this with you. This is the cardboard box that I'm growing my potatoes in, and they're very nice. Actually, this foliage died because of the frost and it came back. You can see some of the sugar snap peas. They're starting to bloom. This is a nice bloom from there, and they're doing perfectly. But around here I was picking some, let's say, salad greens. This is lamb's quarter. It's quite delicious. I mix that in with some chickpeas and some apple cider vinegar, and I have that for a lunch pretty much every day. It's quite delicious, like I said before. But you can see they're doing fine, and we'll examine them as time goes by. I think it's about 10 weeks now that we've had this experiment going so far. And one last thing I want to share with you. Behind me is winter rye, as I'm using as a cover crop. Now that was in a video and I was able to see over it. Now I'm 6'4" and it's probably grown at least another foot in the last 10 days, and it's starting to go into a seed type procedure on top of the heads, the seed heads right now. So things are looking good there. I'll be cutting that down soon because the longer I wait, the more straw I get. But that's just amazing. I've never seen, it's probably been about, say, 3 or 4 years that I've seen it grow this tall again. Again, this year is going to make things dramatically better in your garden. I think the weather is going to be in our favor in the future. Yeah, it's going to be hot, but as long as we keep up watering and the nutrients required to our plants through healthy soil, and they're going to do it their own way, we're going to be in good shape to get a bountiful harvest on everything that we plant up this year. Thanks, and I'll see you again shortly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it. And before I go, I got to share this with you. This is in my flower garden where I have my tulips and daffodils. And now what you're seeing now over here, this beautiful gem of a flower, this is actually quite small. You can fit in the palm of my hand, and I'm going to say it's the size of a baseball. This will get up to, let's say, 7 or 8 inches across. This is an allium and ornamental onion that I planted last fall. And you can see I have about at least 10 of them here in the garden. They are amazing when they pop open, something I'll share with you in the future. But again, it's not normally you see them on a, let's say, a gardening channel, but they're doing amazing. So I want to again show you these beautiful specimens that grow in nature, and I adore these things, and they make a great cut flower, and they last about 5 weeks, believe it or not. But again, enjoy your day. I'll see you shortly. Bye.